Aaron, we're at HRB now, and this is Tom, so the man to help me to build the engine. So pretty much we got most of the parts ready. And so Tom, can you tell us a little bit about your shop?
Yeah. So we're a performance engine building shop. We specialise in a lot of speedway engines for New Zealand, a lot of RBs, a lot of 2Js, a lot of NA high performance engines.
Oh yeah.
A lot of 1,000 kilowatt RBs, 2JZ drift engines.
Awesome. Yeah.
So we do automotive machining. We also do CNC machining for parts manufacturing.
Yeah. So you do a lot of research and development by yourself?
A lot of R&D.
Yeah.
Been building engines in New Zealand. Been running for about 6 years now.
Yeah.
Love it.
Yeah, pretty good. So what's going on now with my engine?
Yeah, come and have a look.
Yeah.
So we have the cylinder heads. It's all ready to go together. You just shot the camshafts off, so we can go through and assemble it and set the tappets.
Yeah.
The head has been had the seats
polished pretty well.
Seats cut, had a fresh surface.
Yeah.
So it's had its service. The block is at machining with the new forged pistons and the ARP main bolts you dropped off.
Yeah.
So there'll be a line home to suit the main bolts, and then board and home to suit the new pistons.
Yeah.
And once we get that back, we can start dummy assembling and clearancing and getting all ready.
Yeah. So these are the parts we're gonna put in the.
Yep. These are all the nice new clean parts. Been faced, lapped in.
Yeah. Beautiful.
New valve springs you dropped off.
Yeah. So where's the engine block already sent?
It's at the machinist.
Oh, machinist. Yeah.
Taylor
Pretty good.
Automotive is doing the block for us.
Yeah. You have some other crazy
some
engine.
Toyotas here for you.
Yeah.
This is the 1,000 horsepower 1UZ.
Oh yeah.
This is the GR Yaris, so the 3-cylinder.
Yeah.
And the new GR Corolla and GR Yaris.
Oh yeah. So people already start building the GR Yaris now.
Yeah. We built this one about 1 year ago, and it's running 400 kilowatt at the wheels.
Oh.
So it's just come apart for a service and it's first going down.
Yeah.
First pull down and check over. And then for the Honda guys, it's a dry sump K20 turbo.
Yeah.
And then
P20 is still very popular now.
Yeah, it's such a cool engine. Makes easy power.
Yeah, and you have a billet block.
This is the RB30, a 3.2 litre billet engine. So this is running in an R32 GTR drag car, and will run up to 700, 1800 horsepower.
Oh yeah.
Quite easily.
Very nice.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go back to work, and so thanks so much. Yeah. So just waiting for the good news from you. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Simba. You don't want it? Come on. Yeah, so hopefully another few weeks and we're gonna get a car ready, because right now we're still waiting for the intake manifold and oil sump to be ready. And after that, put the engine together and do the running and tuning. So that's it, pretty much. I can get a car, I think before May. So I think before my birthday. Before we finish the video today, I'm gonna show you something I didn't really post on YouTube. Yeah, but I think right now, so this will potentially help me a little bit on the rebuild, because you can see the cost it's not too low. It's pretty high, to be honest. But so we have some good products I'm selling for a while, and so maybe some of you already know this brand, D1's back. Yeah, so I'm one of the distributor in New Zealand, and I imported some of their products. So I use for my own cars. So this MX-5, also AE86. So pretty much just the wheel nuts and heavyweight gear knobs. So these are pretty popular. Right now it's not too popular, to be honest, but I think I already sold most of the gear knob to people in need. Yeah, but these are really nice product. So why I call it heavyweight? So they call it heavyweight because it's made of stainless steel instead of the aluminum. So So these are about almost 430 grams weight, and I have the 5-speed and 6-speed available. Also, if you want to get a polish, I can also do that. As you can see, so I polished by myself. So I did some sanding and polish. You can see in my MX-5, so pretty nice to use. And it's really cheap. So I can also do international shipping. So if you're not in New Zealand, and these are about $50 plus shipping. Or if you're in New Zealand, we can discuss about the shipping cost. Pretty low, or I can deliver to you by myself. And I have another set. I'm not sure because this is the last set of the P1.25, and which is for Subaru, Suzuki, Nissan, and those kind of cars. This 1.5 is normally for Toyota, Honda, right? So this is one of the last set available. I just open it up so you can see some details. And they all made of the forged steel. It's not aluminum. And you can see the machining quality is really in high level of the machining quality. Also the product, the material they use. So it's the SCM 435, which is another one of the best quality steel material, and really strong. And they're all lock nuts, so come with a special key to install and remove. So this one has 7 edges, you can see, unlike the normal 6 edge. So nobody can steal it unless they use some ridiculous force to open it. You see the quality, anodized surface. Yeah, and after this one, so I have the 2-piece wheel nuts. So this one is slightly special. So it has the aluminum cover, right? And inside is a forged steel base nuts, or the core nut. So this one, yeah, also really strong and pretty light. It's not nicely weighted because you still need to consider the strength of the material. So it cannot be too thin. But with the aluminum cover, so we'll have a pretty nice dress up. Also looking really nice. I will use the red color on my MX-5. And you can have a look. Also have the red color, as you can see. But that one just I didn't open it. You can see on my MX-5 already. So pretty much if you need anything, I also have the carbon fiber handbrake handles. So this one is made of aluminum with a carbon fiber cover. So you'll see most of the car come with the tubular handbrakes. So you can open a rubber cover or leather cover and pretty much just slide in and screw on. So it has 3 different, 3 mini Allen key screw. So you can use that to lock it. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I want to show you guys today. So if you're interested, you can send me a message on the comment sections or leave me your email address. I probably know your email address, but or you can add me on Instagram, so to send me messages. so I can follow you up. And as I can see, so international shipping is alright. Because I used to send a couple of pairs, I mean a couple of set of this one, the gear knob. So it's cost about, for example, to ship to the United States, costs about $28 to $30 shipping. So totally maybe around $60 I can do. And you can have a really nice quality heavyweight gear knob. Alright, so that's everything today, and hope you have a good day and see you next time.